Pagi ini kita akan memotong plat lingkaran dengan blender las. Sebelum dipotong kita garis dulu. Nah, ini adalah alat jangka yang bisa di setel ukurannya, diameter kecil, besar. Mengukurnya kita pakai cepat yang panjang ya, jadi agar lebih presisi dan tidak jauh dari ukurannya. Nah, kayak gini caranya, kita paskan dulu, kemudian kita kuatkan agar tidak lepas dari ukurannya. Berikutnya, setelah kita paskan sama cepat yang panjang, kita coba lagi, kita garis pakai jangkanya. Nah, kita pasang di titik pusat, kemudian kita putar sampai 360 derajat. Di situ dipastikan goresannya terang sehingga nanti waktu pemakanan tidak keluar dari garis yang kita gores. Nah, setelah itu kita cek pakai meteran yang panjang, karena cepat tadi kurang panjang, lebih dari 1 meter. Karena cepat tadi cuma 1000, ukurannya 1 meter, jadi nggak bisa untuk ukuran yang lebih dari 1000, ya ini 1200. Itu saja, mudah-mudahan video ini bisa bermanfaat untuk kita semua dan selamat menyaksikan.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.